Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we're going to work with the tasks. So let me just sign in and yeah, we have permission, roles, users. Now let's work with tasks because right now, if I click nothing is going to change. So let's I'm going to open first the tasks migration, and here we are going to add title and description. I'm going to save, and now we need to run the artisan migrate, and I'm going to say migrate fresh. Now let's come here and refresh. Yeah, we need to go and sign up with a user, but we can use fake filler, and here we are. Okay, we have a tasks. Let's see, let's open the controller, the task controller, and let's start up here and work with a task. We're going to get all the tasks. Okay, and don't use this paginate get. Then we're going to return inertia, and let's import that inertia. And then enter task index, pass in the task. Okay, let's jump here and return task create. We need to create a request. So let's open and say artisan make request. This is going to be task store request. Another one for the task update or request. Okay, and now let's use here that. So task store request, and then let's say data request validated like this if you want, but yeah, let's leave it like this for now. We don't need the show. Edit, return the inertia render, pass in task here. Okay. Also on the update, I'm going to say not task store, but task update request. And then we say data request validated, update the data, and return to the route like this. And I prefer to say task update like this. And then on the destroy, task delete, and return the task index. I think we are good. Now let's open the task store, change this to true, and jump here and add the title description. We don't have this one, save, close, and the same thing. Come here, change this to true, and then add the title and description. We are good. Now let's work with pages. And I duplicate the roles in pages also, so let's come here and let's work with that. First, we're going to say import the create, destroy, edit, and index from not roles but from tasks. Also here tasks, yes. Then tasks also here, and we need to import the task type if we don't have. So let's open the index dot d inside the types. We don't have role permission tasks, so let's create also one for the task id name. Yeah, I did title, and that's it. We can add also the created and updated. Let's save. Come here and let's now say task import. Okay, create, change that to create task. Also here a list of your tasks, and then change that to tasks plus description, title, and we have to change also task ID. I think we are good. So we have imported all from the rows tasks, define the tasks, create. Yeah. Let's save and let's open now the create in here. Also, we have to change the task here, task here, task here, task in here, task. Now guard name is going to be description, and also here is going to be title. I think we are okay. Let's see now in the edit. Change data task, tasks also here, task here, name. Now this is going to be title. Okay, this is going to be description, and this is going to be update tasks. Yeah, also the top index 3. I'm going to save, and now let's see on the browser. If I refresh here, let's go to tasks. We have tasks. Let's go to create task, and we can create. If I create, the title and description are required, can create a task. And yeah, we have this title available property. So let's open the task model. Use as factory, and also we need to add the label here. Save, close, and now refresh. Use fake filler, create a task. It's created. Validation works. Let's see the edit. Update the task. Okay. Remove the ... Update the task. Okay, I can delete. Yeah. So now we have also CRUD for tasks, permissions, roles, users. In the next video, we need to work with assign roles to users, permission to roles, and then check if the user has the right permission for tasks or for all the others. But in this project, I'm going to show you how we can protect tasks based on user permissions. That's it all about this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.